excited. I've been on the phone with Ange for a few weeks now. He tells me that we've got some very, very special prizes for our viewers. I'm here at Game Hunter. All the prizes apparently are in that showroom. We're going to go now and take a close look at it. Let's go. Well, here we are, guys, at Game Hunter, and I've got to say, I'm very excited. Ange, we've got a lot of prizes for our viewers. What do we got?
Take a look behind you, mate. Together with the guys from Game Hunter, Royal Flair Caravans, everyone's given us a hand, mate. It's been amazing the support we've had for 2014. We've come up with a mega prize package worth around about $10,000.
$10,000?
$10,000, mate. It's got everything in it. Swags, pop tops, it's got chairs, it's got Waco fridges, it's got clothing from Chiruka, it's got the whole works, it's got Sav winches, there's everything. I can tell you, it's a fishing and hunting paradise.
Now there's some fishing gear there from Vince, of course, from Anglers Bait World.
Vince from Anglers Bait World, about $2.5 grand's worth, so thanks very much, Vince.
So $10,000. $10,000. As you can see, a lot of prizes, and I'm very excited about this. Now, everybody, and I mean everybody, wants to know, what is the question?
Very simple. We would like you to SMS to us on the number that's going to be on your screen very shortly, your favourite gummy shark bait. That is it. Easy.
That's pretty good.
Don't ask him, he doesn't know how to catch them.
So there you go, guys. You've got a chance of winning $10,000 of prizes. As you can see behind us, that's $10,000 of prizes. And this is the biggest thing Savage Seas Adventures has ever done.
Oh, look, and we love doing it for the show, mate, and we love everyone for their support. It's been amazing this year, and I'll tell you what, don't forget, the more you SMS, the better your chances. And do take a look at our website. There's some more information there as well.
Absolutely. So go for it. Get onto the phones. You've got a chance of winning $10,000 of prizes. Go for it.